Good day all. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the holiday. In our last class, we looked at using present perfect tense in sentences. We said the ways we can make use of the present perfect tense in sentences, and I gave examples of present perfect tense in sentences. Of course, which I believe that you all should be able to construct sentences using present perfect tense. I remember I also gave home activities for you to forward to my WhatsApp number. I believe that you are working towards that. Now, today we want to look at using past perfect tense. Using past perfect tense. How do we make use of the past perfect tense is what we want to look at today. Now, if you look at what I have here, I said here that the past perfect tense talks about an action that happened in the past before another action followed. Yes, an action that happened in the past before another action followed. That is how we make use of the past perfect tense. Yes, just as we said we have words that form our present perfect tense, so also we have words that we use to form our past perfect tense. And this is just what you need to form your past perfect tense, the word had. Yes, the word had and the past participle of a verb. Use the word had and the past participle of a verb to form your past perfect tense. Remember what I said, an action that talks about an action that happened in the past before another action followed. So what we are going to do now, we are going to look at sentences with past perfect tense. Now look at the first one that I have here is Musa had eaten the food before he went out. Musa had eaten the food before he went out. If you look at this sentence that I have here, just as I have said, you see that it talks about one action that happened. We have two actions in this sentence. We have two actions in this sentence. One happened first before another one followed. You can see where the past perfect tense occurs. Musa had eaten the food. Is that followed by another action before he went out. If you look at the second sentence that we have here also, Awudu had told us the story before the teacher arrived. Awudu had told us the story before the teacher arrived. You can see that we have two actions here. The past perfect tense talked about an action that happened before another one followed it. If you look at example 3, we had sang the song before we went for break. We had sang the song before we went for break. Look at example 4. You have Obi had read the letter before he gave it to Ade. Obi had read the letter before he gave it to Ade. Now the last example that I have on the cardboard here is the boys had gone out before the man got to the class. The boys had gone out before the man got to the class. Of course, the examples that I have given you, see that we have two actions in each of the example. So that is how we make use of our past perfect tense. I believe that it is clear and you should be able to make use of your past perfect tense either in writing or speaking. Yes, what you are going to do for me, you are going to construct your own sentences using past perfect tense for me to be sure that what we have done now is clear to you. So you are going to do this for me. Alright, now you are going to construct two other sentences using the past perfect tense. And once you've done that, you send it to me via WhatsApp. Yes, once you've done that, you send it through WhatsApp to this number. Remember never to copy any of the examples I've given. Write yours out for me to be sure that you've understood what we have done today. Have a nice day.